Almas, welcome to this video. Today I am going to show you my makeup look, and I think I'm going to call this video Get Ready With Me for a casual day. Okay, so this is slightly different mainly because I feel like my white balance and the color saturation, everything was very off in my last video. So hopefully the color is better so you can see the colors that I'm working on my face. It's nothing extravagant. This is more of my go-to simple, but you know, sometimes I do want to have fun with eyeshadows, with lipsticks, so that's what I would add on. What I'm showing you today is just the basic, and I just build on as days goes by, but this is just the basic routine. Alright, so first off, one thing that's changed from my last makeup tutorial is I've been doing a lot of silk brow, mainly because it just tames my eyebrow hairs. It just gives me a neat look. So any silk brow, I got this one from Shopee. I'm gonna leave the link down below. So this is a Kiss Beauty Brow Styling Soap, a simple spoolie with the soap brow. All I do is I just wet this spoolie a little bit, go in there, rub in there, and just apply it. I'll go for at least 2 or 3 layers. So this is the first one. So what I'll do is I'll gently push. This does not look gently, I understand that, but to me that's gently. What I'll do is I bring all my hair up, pull it up, go up, until I feel my eyebrows are laminated. Now what I do, now all of my hairs are going up, this is the satisfying part of it, is just from the front, I'll lightly touch the edge of the hairs and just, Sometimes I'm not satisfied with the shape, so I just make a few adjustments. But with silk brow, one thing is make sure that you don't put too much product on this spoolie. Just put as little as you can, because sometimes those small pieces of the soap might stick to your eyebrows, so it looks like you have dandruff. So there you go, my laminated eyebrows. Nice. So after eyebrows is when I go for my primer. So this is the Benefit, the POREfessional. Oh yeah, I forgot to clarify. Most of the products I use here is something you can get at the nearest Guardian, Watson. It's convenient. I think the only thing here that's a little bit on the, expensive part. This is the Benefit, the POREfessional primer. I would say this works the best for me. I've tried the Fenty Beauty one. It didn't work as well as this one for some reason. Right, just, So I put over my nose. This is the oiliest part. Next, I'll go in with my concealer. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear. Hopefully it just focuses, But I just take a little bit. So I'll go under the eyes, just a little bit like that. Boom. Highlight. This is highlight, not to actually conceal, but I actually got the wrong shade. This is too light for my skin. And plus, when it comes to foundation, color matching, I'm not the best at that. I just sort of wing it. If I get the wrong shade, I have to work with it, right? I think under the chin. Actually here, I'll use my ring finger actually to just pat it. Because I feel with the Beauty Blender, it just takes most of the foundation, just takes most of the liquid away. Because of course you want to give it a really natural look, but when it comes to concealer, I want it to conceal full. So this is definitely a full wear and full coverage, full coverage, and I definitely recommend this product. Alright, so now we are going into the foundation. So this is also the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. a couple reasons why I love this one. It gives such a dewy, fresh look. It's a, I would say a light to medium coverage. It's not buildable though. Plus, it's in my budget. So if you're looking for some good budget foundation, go ahead with this one. It's probably one of the best out there. So it looks dirty, but I use my ring finger. All I do is put all over my face. And as I've said, I'll say it again, I'm not really good with the foundation matching. I'll sort of wing it. And this time I think this is the closest I've gotten to my skincare skin color, mainly because I made so much mistake. So many foundation color mistakes where I went too light, too dark. So that's a part of makeup I'm still learning about. Just pop it over one side of my face, over my eye. And also what I love about this foundation is I have a lot of freckles on only one side of my face for some weird reason, I don't know. But it still pops out, you know, there's still some freckles, some beauty marks going out there, so it's fine. I think it's cute. And I'm just working whatever with the excess foundation I have from this part. Alright, there you go. Foundation, concealer, done. Powder. Okay, now it's powder. This one is from Silkygirl. Magic All-in-One Powder Foundation. So honestly, I'll still go in with this beauty blender. This is not really a beauty blender. I just got it from Shopee, mainly because it lasts longer and it's cheap. So you can just search on Shopee. If I could find this again, the shop, I'll link it down below. So yeah, all I do is I just take a few, and I always focus on my nose area. This is the part where I have to really make sure I don't plan. Then I go under my eyes a little bit, just a little bit, not too much. Then over my eyelids, so it's prepped for eyeliner. And there you go, there you go. Powder done. Now it's blush time. With blush, I don't use a powder blush. I use a lipstick or any liquid blush that's available, mainly because I want to achieve that dewy. Okay, first of all, this one is from C.CODE. This is caramel. C.CODE is not, it's available in Watson. So what I'll do is I'll just make circular motions at the back of my head. But this one is the foundation part, this is the ending part. So what I'll do is just take a little bit, not everything, just a little bit, like that, and just smile. And that's when the powder, not powder, sorry, oh my god, my brain just shut down for a second. Oh yeah, that's, apply the blush on your apples or your cheeks, duh. Okay, there you go, there you go. Sorry, my brain just went silent mode for a second there. Hopefully you can see it because it's very subtle. For the eyes, this one is Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild is from Sasa. So I'll go for this transition shade. And I'll take a brush for this one. This one is a, I would say a perfect brush for covering the whole crease. So go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, because the trick with eyeshadow is just keep blending. That's the trick. Go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Just keep doing that. Go circular motions, you know, sort of diffuse the color, you know, because we don't want any one strong color staying in there. You just want to make it look smooth as possible. It's to warm up my face, actually, to give some sort of definition. So yeah, there you go. transition shade done. Then I'll take any shimmer. I'm gonna take this beautiful, sort of like a champagne color here. Just easy. It's not really that complicated. It's really pretty much easy. I used to believe that, you know, with any makeup application, any brushes and everything, but you know, as years went on, I just think sometimes makeup just looks much better when you apply it with your fingers. Let me contour before I forget. So this contour is beat up. She's been bullied a lot here, as you can see. Pretty much very loved, but this one is from Catrice, and this is the 030 medium bronze brush, which is perfect for a perfect for like, you know what I mean. So I'll take a little bit, but that, not too much, but I'll just put it top of my forehead. Just work alongside there, and like that. All right, I just go at the edge of my cheekbones, and we need some warmth. We need some milk. No, I don't need any milk. It's just that vine, you know. Is it a vine? Or is it me? Oh, I forgot. Anyways. Cheeks. I don't put the contour like here. Only at the edge. And up here. Right. Now that's done. Actually, I forgot to moisturize my lips. So this is the Vaseline Lip Therapy. Cocoa butter for soft, glowing lips. It's my fingers. Probably my pinky. And just to prep my lips for a lipstick later on. Okay, so now is the semi-hard part, eyeliner. Okay, so this is from IN2IT Superproof Eyeliner Pen, and I don't, you know, if we get closer, if you don't mind. So from the edge of the eyes, I'll just sort of bring a line out. Sort of see that, right? So bring the line out and sort of make, I also don't know how to explain this part, to be honest with you, but I'll start making a line in the middle of my eye and just follow my natural eye line. Okay, then anyways, I'll try my best to just like, when I open my eyes, I want to make sure that the line doesn't look like it's folded. Yeah, I don't want to make it look folded, so what I do is I just try to connect the line. Try to connect the line I started from the middle to the edge here. I messed up a little bit. You try to make that line as smooth as possible, but one of the key tips about eyeliner is just go small. Do not make big, bold moves. Just, you know, like, That's my tip with eyeliner. Take your time. Usually my eyeliner is a little bit like pointy, but this looks a little bit chubby. So actually I kind of like it. I'll leave it at that. So then this is the last part, is just make a one thin line at the front part. The key part for this one is not breathing for a couple of seconds. So you just get really ultra focus mode, you know. you go. That's the nerve-wracking part of this makeup. See, this one's more pointy than this one. It's fine. This is the part where you shouldn't breathe. See, no one had to die today. Straight, but it's fine. That's alright. It's alright. So this is the difficult part. We got through it. High five. Good job. Good job. Okay, so now it's time to curl my lashes. This one's from Daiso, 5 ringgit and 90 cents. This object seems to scare a lot of people. It's not scary as you think. For my favorite mascara, this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. It looks very loved. So wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. So I just wiggle at the root and let go at the top. Wiggle, 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 let go. Wiggle, 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 let go. The same thing to the other eye. Wiggle, 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 let go. Wiggle, 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 let go. 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 So now we're done with the eyes. Actually, I'm not done with the eyes. Am I done with the eyes? Actually, one thing I forgot about the eyes is I actually add a little bit of this contour shade that we used earlier with a small precise brush, which I think it's perfect if you want to focus only on one area of your eye. So what I do is pat it, and from the outer corners only, I sort of add a little bit of contour, mainly to give this illusion. Just sort of makes your eyes look balanced from the top and the bottom. So just only at the outer part. So now it's time for the lips. I use this one from Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte in number 09. It has the right amount of pink, brown in it. Then to top it all off is I'll use the C.CODE lipstick again in Caramel, and I'll apply it in the middle. Such a nice, perfect rosy color. Okay, so anything else? Wait, let me just, I think that's pretty much it. So yeah. So thank you so much, especially if you watched till the very end of this video. I'll try my best to link all of the products down below in the description box. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.